While enjoying an ice cream, have you ever thought this couldn't get any better?
Welcome to new show, Poshita. And today, ice cream.
First you need ice cream. I'd recommend vanilla flavor. Then 100 milliliters of water and 2 tablespoons of flour. Food coloring, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, quarter a cup of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt for good measure. Now before making this recipe, take the ice cream from the deep freezer and put it in the refrigerator. You can avoid a lot of troubles. First take the water, put flour into it, and then stir till they are incorporated. Then after add a few drops of food coloring. I'd recommend red if you want to go with nut lady, but it's up to you. But still my one is better. Can I just stop for a second and appreciate how Soviet this shot is? After stirring, it should look like this. To a cooking pan, add oil and turn the heat up. Once the oil is heated, pour the mixture and run.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Serious though, take a few steps back unless you want heated oil on your face. After the oil has fried all the way, take it out the oil. And this drill will look like crown of the dessert. Crown. Now to a chocolate syrup. To a bowl, throw in half a cup of sugar. Then add cocoa powder to it. And then a pinch of salt. And mix it. Then add 2 tablespoons of butter into it. And mix it till it resembles a soil texture. Now it's good to go. And now for the plating part. Lay a chocolate swirl over a plate. Now take 2 spoons which are immersed in hot water. This is the hard part. Take the ice cream and flatten the surface with spoon number 1. Shove the other spoon into the ice cream and take a scoop of it while twisting the spoon. Shape it into a quenelle with the other spoon and lay it over the soil. Then place the twirl onto the quenelle as it doesn't fall over. Also, you can add some microgreens like basil if you want. And here's your ice cream. Post.